morning students. Today we discuss with you articles. As you know, articles, these are used to modify the noun. Articles mainly are of two types, definite and indefinite. Definite, as you know very well, definite is article we used the, and for indefinite we use an. For understanding your better way, I make a table for an and the articles. As you know, a we used with any singular noun, means a pen, a pencil, and we denote one for a noun, means अगर हम किसी भी एक चीज़ को प्रनोट कर रहे हैं वन सिंगल वे, तो वी यूज विद दैट ए आर्टिकल्स. नेक्स्ट इज एन. एन जैसे कि हम पहले से जानते हैं, हमें पढ़ाया जाता है, वी यूज एन विद वोवल वर्ड्स, बट नॉट इज दैट इज नॉट रियल मीनिंग. वी मेनली यूज एन with vowel sound and vowel words. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Next one is the article that is used for proper noun and specific noun, and the another one is superlative degree. Proper noun, as you know, proper noun we use for mainly a special person, and specific noun for a special person, thing, material things, and the another one is superlative. As you know, superlative degree means the third degree of adjective, as he is the best student of our school. The best is the superlative degree. For making understanding articles, I give you some examples so you can understand better way with this. First one is, she saw dash unicorn. As you know, here put U, that is vowel, but there is a sound of U, that is consonant sound. So we use with that a article instead of n. Now another example, I saw dash European friend. Again there is E, that is also vowel, but we use European, again consonant sound, and we use that a article. Now another one, I visited to see dash Taj Mahal. As you know very well, Taj Mahal is a special building, so we use the article with these specific thing. So carefully note down these notes, and after that I give you another example of these articles. Now I take another example. He is dash best student of our school. Best, as you know, superlative degree, that is for good, so we use the article with best superlative degree. Next another one, I brush my teeth twice dash a day. As you know, it means मैं अपने दांतों को दिन में 2 बार ब्रश करता हूँ. Twice a day. Here we use a article with a day. Another one, Ram is dash honest person. As you know, here we use consonant word, but there is the voice of vowel sound, honest. So we use an article with this sentence. Next one, he is dash honorable man. Another, there is consonant word, but there is a sound of vowel, honorable. So again we used an article with this sentence. Next 8, I spent half dash hour on that. Again H is consonant and sound is again pronunciate vowel sound. So we used an article with this sentence. Here is another example of articles. I eat dash apple. Apple, there is a word and also vowel sound. So we use an apple. Another one is banana. Consonant word, we use a articles. Dash orange, vowel word and also vowel sound. So we used an orange. Next one, that is the most important article just because of, as you know, dash orange grow in Nagpur. In this sentence, orange is not referred to a orange. It refers to a group of orange. Here, its meaning is ऑरेंज ग्रो इन नागपुर. जो संतरे हैं वो नागपुर में उगते हैं. तो जहाँ हम एक ग्रुप को डिनोट करते हैं, वी यूज्ड नो आर्टिकल विद दिस सेंटेंस. मीन्स इस तरह के वर्डिंग्स में कोई आर्टिकल यूज नहीं होता. नेक्स्ट वन इज डैश सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट. एज यू नो, फॉर नेचुरल थिंग्स वी यूज द आर्टिकल. The sun rises in the east. Another one, I saw dash one-eyed man. Another example of sound. Here O is vowel words, but there is sound of one, va, consonant sound. So we use a article with this sentence. As I discussed with no article with you, I also tell you about where we use no article. With language with meal with group. Particular these topics we use no articles. Means capital X, not X. This is all about of your article class. Note down, and if you any query with these topics or these sentence, you can put these queries on our comment box. Thank you so much.